because let's make it type 2 of pulley, and then let's create a sticks. I use this space for the sticks, and like before, make a circle 100 and extra, and then go to the right and make a circle again, and 5, and circle again 100, 10, and circle again about 80, and hit about 5, and the last one, circle 100, and extrude it to 10, and easy, you make it circle again, 75, 36, and extrude it, and okay. And then let's go to create sticks from here and make it about 40, and make it like this. That's it. And we go like this. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, and let's go to make sticks on this circle. And I want to make a support line like this. And I want to make a center rectangle like this, about 10 and about 30. Enter. And I want to make it line from here like this, about 135, and line is 3. For here too, about 45, and line is 3. Enter and connect it. And then I start to make a pattern and click all of this. Okay, and center point you use this circle and make it about 4, and enter and finish it. Okay, and start to extrude it. Extrude all of them. Extrude all of them. I have it showing. for 20, minus 20, and the other side about 10, and okay. And then guys, you have to make a circle again on this center, and I will make it about 37, enter, and extrude to the front about 10, enter. I hope guys you see it. And then guys, you have to create another shape. Click this and press on your keyboard. Press L and then use offset for this circle and use -3 and finish text. Oh, sorry, hold on. And we're gonna make it these things about 1, and then use an arc, center point arc from here to here, and make it like this, and make it same, and make it a semicircle. Okay, just easy guys, and create a pattern again. Okay, and use 3 for quantity, and okay, and finish it. Okay, guys, and then start to extrude it. Extrude this shape like this, and make it all, and okay. Okay guys, and then we like to do same as a picture. We have to move it a little bit. Have to move. Move it. Move it. Okay, we have to move it like this, and then we have to move it like this, and then that's enough, and that's it. Okay, and then guys, the last one I will give a fillet, or make it around it, 5, all of them. I want to give 1 or 2, maybe. Yes, 2 for fillet, and right here, about 5. Okay. And then I wanna give a fillet for this. Okay guys, I will make it a little bit cool. Okay, and I will give 1. Okay, and I wanna give a for here 2, but 1, and enter, and for here 2, label 1. Okay. And then for the break, delay all of it. So you have nice design. Make it rounded edge. Okay. And okay. Okay, we have finished this object, guys. This is a pulley type 2. And then look at this, look it around. Okay guys, this is a pulley type 2 and this is already I use material and I use aluminum blue aluminum, and I love this guys. So cool. And then the last one, we're gonna make it the last pulley and then check it on the next video. Thank you guys.